Started. As I described, the sheets or kosha, in Sanskrit it is called as koshas or layers or body. So one thing we can notice is this is not a very watertight compartment where I can differentiate physical body from energy. So gross physical body, what physical body you are having is that gross physical body, and the vital energy in it, where it's making you breathe, which making you think, which making you see, which making you digest your food, and which is making you all the processes of your body automatically and intelligently. That is your vital body. With physical body and vital body, you have emotions, good, bad, positive, negative, all sorts of emotions, emotional complexities we have in our existence. So that is also we consider as a body. And very interesting fact is, modern medical science describes mind-body medicine. They say disease starts from your emotional being. And Yoga Vasishta, many years before, maybe more than 3000 years before, has described as a Manomaya Kosha is a causation of a Vyadhi. Vyadhi means disease. So this fascinates me or few group of doctors, that how come modern medicine and mind-body medicine has been already talked in many years before in the form of Vyadhi or a disease which starts from Manomaya Kosha. So this fascinates us to go deeper into this form of research, and it is true that usually disease starts from emotional body or Manomaya Kosha. We say this form of diseases like psychosomatic diseases. Actually, this is an old term to describe mind-body diseases. Psyche means mind, soma means body. So diseases related with mind and body. I'll give a small example of worry, hurry, and hot curry, causing increased hydrochloric acid in your stomach and causing ulcer. So ulcer is a physical part. Your worry is a emotional part. So with your worries, there is increase in hydrochloric acid secretion from your stomach by internal stimulation of another hormone called as gastrin. Worry increases gastrin secretion increases your hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid burns your stomach wall, causing ulcer. So it's a perfect example for disease starting from emotional body and percolating into the physical body. So this is why we say we need to know about mind and its causation of disease. Intellectual body is a fourth sheath or a body of existence where it's mainly based on intellect. So what lecture you are learning now or what I am teaching now is mainly for your intellectual body, because you need to understand what is this concept and then you need to apply. So bliss body, say all people in entire world wants to be happy and avoid of any misery. Is it true for all the people? Yes. Everybody wants to be happy and nobody wants any pain. So there is a beautiful Sanskrit saying, Sukha Prapti and Dukkha Nivritti. Just what is the motive of everybody's life, they explain in a very simple, beautiful 2 sentences, is Sukha. Sukha means happiness. Prapti means gaining. I want happiness. Dukkha, dukkha means pain or troubles which you have. Nivritti, nivritti means I don't want. I want to disconnect from unhappiness and I want to get connected from happiness. Or I want happiness and I want to avoid misery, I want to avoid pains, I want to avoid all the problems. It's very simple motive of life. So at an intellectual level, we need to know what we are discussing and then we can apply. So bliss body is a happiness body which is there within. So whenever we feel happy, we tend to go inwards and enjoy the happiness. Now, very interesting fact now is how we are integrating this integrated medicines, mind body medicines and yoga therapy into one form. I'll just explain. You can pause for a while.